Hey guys, Andrea here, back with another video. Today we are going to talk about the most common fitness myths I hear circling around my friends, family and on the internet in general, especially on Instagram. I have heard these misconceptions over and over again, so I had to make a video about them. So let's get into it. The number one fear of women when going to the gym is that lifting weights will make them bulky. Girls, gaining muscle is a slow and difficult process. I have been weight training consistently for 5 years and I have barely put 6, maybe 7 pounds of lean muscle. I have half decent genetics and I am pretty lean. You be the judge, am I too bulky? We are not built like men. It's almost impossible to get too muscular as a woman unless you're using PEDs. So don't fear weight training. Go hard with compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and presses, and do more free weights than machines, especially if you are a beginner. So hit the weights when going to the gym, not just the cardio machines or Zumba classes. It's going to give you that toned, athletic look that we all want. Plus, weight training is an invaluable tool when trying to slim down. I made a whole video on that topic if you want to check it out. Now, let's talk about myth number 2, which is spot reducing fat. Just go on YouTube and type lose belly fat or burn arm fat. You will get thousands of results. Guys, these people are misleading you and getting millions of views while spreading bad information. And their viewers, on the other hand, are not getting the results they want. As a beginner, I know it seems to make sense. I'm gonna do crunches to get a more toned stomach and lose belly fat once and for all. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. You will get a stronger core, but you can't target fat loss to one specific area. When you're losing weight, you lose fat on the whole body. So instead of doing arm exercises to get slimmer arms, watch what you eat so you can be in a caloric deficit and work the whole body. You're gonna get better results that way, trust me. Once you are lean enough, you will see that defined stomach you always wanted. I tackled spot reduction in detail in this video if you want more on the topic. Okay guys, moving on to myth number 3. Without cardio, I can't lose weight. Cardio helps, of course, but it's not even close to being the most important part of the weight loss process. In regards to slimming down, your nutrition should be the priority. More specifically, eating whole foods, avoiding processed carbs and sugars, and counting down your calories so you can be in a deficit. If you are not in a deficit, no amount of cardio is gonna make you shed the extra pounds. After nutrition, weight training is the second most important tool for fat loss. Having more muscle is gonna boost your BMR, meaning the calories you burn at rest. Plus, it prevents the inevitable muscle atrophy that comes with weight loss. See what I mean? Cardio is great, but I mostly do it for fun, and in regards to cardio, choose something you like so it does not feel like a burden. I run, but you don't have to. You can bike or hike or swim, whatever you like. So I run twice per week usually, but it's not imperative for when you're trying to slim down. So myth number 4, and I hear this all the time. I need to deprive myself of food in order to lose weight. Here's how it goes. If you don't change the way you eat, it will feel like a torture. It will feel like you are hungry all the time. The trick is to be in a calorie deficit while not feeling hungry. Otherwise, it's not sustainable, right? So, if you're eating pizza and McDonald's or junk food almost every day, it's not going to work. These foods are packed with calories and don't keep you full for long, and no matter your willpower, you will end up binging. Instead, favor protein and fiber-rich foods like lean meat and vegetables. They keep you full longer and are lower calorie, and so you can eat more. Does it make sense for you? Of course, if you're on target with your calories, you can squeeze in a couple of cheat meals here and there, but Don't go overboard. The way I do it is I eat at maintenance or in a slight deficit during the week, and I have a cheat meal during the weekend. I'm not depriving myself of any foods, I'm just limiting the high calorie foods and eating more of the low calorie, nutrient dense ones. Mythe numéro 5. That's French for 5. It's all down to genetics. Guys, don't use your genes as an excuse. I have a slow metabolism. I'm big boned. My whole family is overweight. My whole family is overweight. It's in my genes. The truth is that genes do play a role in appetite, muscle building, and fat storage, but that role is overplayed. Most people that are overweight are so not because of their genes, but because of poor life choices. Sure, if you want to be elite in any sport, genes play an important role, but if you just want to look good, it's not the genes that are stopping you. It is poor nutrition and lack of exercise. I'm sorry guys, but the modern lifestyle in the Western world leads to a lot of issues. I mean, back pain, eye issues, psychological problems, and unfortunately weight gain. But don't use genetics as a cop-out. You can get the body you want if you work hard and have the right knowledge and some discipline. And the bonus myth that I also believed in my youth: feeling exhausted after training means I burned a lot of calories. Let's say you did 5 100-meter sprints or a 10-minute hard HIIT session. You're barely breathing, you're sweating a ton. Kind of feels like a good workout, right? Well, what did you actually accomplish? Did you burn a lot of calories? Not really. Did you gain any muscle? Not so much. Training shouldn't be based on how you are feeling after a workout. It should be based on science. 45 minutes of steady state cardio burns more calories than 10 minutes of HIIT, although you might feel less tired afterwards. And in regards to muscle building, weight training with progressive overload is by far the best method for muscle hypertrophy. Base your training on goals and measurable progress, not on how tired you are feeling after a workout. That's it for today. Do you agree with what I said? Tell me in the comments below. I'm releasing 2 videos per week, so if you like my content, please subscribe and click the bell button. And as always, your body is your temple. Take care of it.